Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by proving your account meets Roblox rules. Verify age and complete the identity check so voice chat unlocks. Once done, open Roblox settings, go to privacy, and flip voice chat on. This tells Roblox servers you can use the feature. Make sure Windows has microphone permission for the Roblox app and that the client is updated. Otherwise, the option won't appear. This first step removes restrictions and prepares your PC and account for actual voice connection. Next, configure your microphone so incoming voice is clear and reliable. You should pick the input device in Windows sound settings, run a test to check levels, and adjust gain so you avoid clipping. Then, in Roblox audio settings, choose that same device and set microphone sensitivity. This ensures Roblox hears you but ignores background noise. Once done, decide between push-to-talk for control or voice activity for hands-free chatting, and enable noise suppression if your room is loud. Finally, enter a Roblox experience that supports voice and connect. Either press your push-to-talk key or start speaking if voice activity is on, and you'll join the session. Make sure game or group settings don't mute voice. Check both in-game and in account privacy. If you run into problems, the quickest fix is a restart of the client, then recheck Windows microphone permissions and re-verify your identity. If still stuck, test the mic in another app to isolate hardware versus Roblox issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.